welcome back to Me Mentions. How are y'all today? So of course, if you're looking at this video, we're gonna get into my braid restoration routine. I've had these braids for like a week or two now, and I have some serious new growth, but my hair grows fast anyway. Like, that's nothing new. I don't know if you guys could see it. I might film another clip so you guys could see like the actual growth. And not even gonna lie, I got a little slip here. So don't judge me. This is a real raw video. All my videos are very authentic, and I hope you guys enjoy. So just stay tuned to see my braid restoration. I boil some water, or bring some water to a boil, and I dip my braids. Now I 100% recommend you do this in your kitchen, but for the sake of the video, I did it in my room. So what I do is take the ends of my braids, and I literally just kind of get all the fuzziness out of them. And I take my braids as far as I can dip my head. But when you're in the kitchen, you most likely can probably only do like the tips. Now with my other towel, I literally kind of wring it out. Now this is really hot, for real, for real. All right, so this is how your braids should look after you dip them. But of course, I don't like mine to have any kind of nothing on them, so I just keep going until the ends of my strands are literally like bone straight, I guess. And I just wring it out. Wring it out. All right, take a different section. Well, I really just did half and half, honestly, because I don't have that many braids. Okay, here's the second half going in. Okay. And remember, everything holds heat. Like, all these products hold heat. The hair, the towel, the pot. So I'm just wringing it out. Ooh, that's hot. All right, one more time for my ends because they're a little crinkly. Oh, I got a little bit of frizz. There we go. Perfect. And again, you just keep dipping them until they're bone straight. At least that's what I do. I dip them until they're literally like bone straight. Now, I don't drag my towel when I wring them out. I go like this. Wringing them out is very important. You will burn your skin how I just did earlier, literally. Okie dokie. I think those are good enough for me. So my first product that I'm going to use, and don't mind the top, we're going to tame the top. I know you guys see the frilly-nillies and how messy it is. Don't worry about all that. First things first, I'm going to take my Herbal Essence curling mousse. I got this at Target for like $5 or $6. Shake it up, and I put a generous amount. Like that much. Every time I film, I'm dropping something. Okay, so I take the bottom of my braids that we just dipped, right? And I put the mousse, I apply the mousse. The same way it kind of locks your curls in is the same way that it locks like the flow of the hair on these braids. Y'all, I know y'all see this little crunchy part. Don't, just relax. I'm getting it redone Saturday. Yeah, as I said before, I take the mousse and I just massage it down at the bottom on my ends, so I'm keeping all the fuzzy hairs in line, boo. And this is the finished product. Ooh, they look so new. Love it. All right, I'm gonna do it to my other half. Like that much. The second product that I use is my olive oil. Got this from the beauty supply store as well for probably like $5 or $6. I take a generous amount, literally, like for real, for real. Massage it in my hands, and now I'm working mid-strand to the bottom of my hair. So mid-strand, getting all those frilly-nilly hairs and massaging it on down. It leaves your hair looking polished. It gets all those flyaways. Well, it gets all my flyaways. Not all of them, but it conceals them pretty well. Get that olive oil and massage mid-strand down. Don't get ahead of yourself and put it at the top yet, girl. Just wait. Just wait. I love how the oil leaves like such a pretty polished look while getting my hair down. It's just so pretty. That's what makes them look so fresh. The oil, the mousse makes it look all nice. This is how my braids look. All pretty, polished. It's not too many flyaways. And I had a lot of flyaways. Looking good. So now I'm going to be working mid-strand to root. I'm going to grab my mousse again, of course. Shake it so it foams up. I'm going to take a generous amount again. Massage that in. And now I'm going to put it on my braids one by one. If you have smaller braids, I would suggest like kind of sectioning your hair off. But you want the roots, like your mid-strand, all the way to your roots to be the most polished part, honestly. Other side, same amount. It's not bad at all. Oh, this curl is gonna kill me. Just put her away. I'm gonna bobby pin it or something. I'm not gonna work it too much. I'm not gonna put too much oil in it, but I'm definitely gonna massage that through now. But let's focus on the roots. So as I stated before, I got a good amount of new growth. So I'm gonna take my Eco Styler gel. I'm gonna get a little generous amount, not generous, but something like this. Something like that. Put it on the braids that I want to work. Right now I'm just gonna show you guys these two. And what I do, I take the braid, twist it up, place it where I want it to fall. Look at this compared to this one. This one compared to this one, it's crazy. So I massage that in, twist. I don't mind twisting that much. And I place it where I want it to fall. Now look at that. Look at that. Look at her. The ones that are visible, at least. And I don't do this for everyone. I'm not gonna lie to y'all and sit here and tell you that I do it for every braid, because I don't. I do it for the ones that's visible and you can see. Super cute, super cute, super cute. Okie dokie. So last but not least, y'all already know the edges. Get you a toothbrush, girl, or an edge brush. They sell edge brushes at the beauty supply store. Get your gel of choice or your pomade, whichever you use to tame your edges. Grab a little bit and start working those babies. I have a little more edges out on this side, so I gotta tame a little more than expected, but whatever. There we are, guys. This is my braid restoration. These are the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was formal. I hope if you have any other suggestions, questions, comments, requests, you know, anything like that, let me know. Y'all know I'm always open. I love you guys. See you later, and I hope you guys have a great quarantine.